Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today I am going to share how I use coconut oil as a heat protectant. I love using coconut oil because it is a natural heat protectant that protects your hair against heat damage caused by using the flat iron, curling iron, blow dryer. And not only does it protect your hair against heat damage, but it hydrates and nourishes your hair. It helps your hair grow longer, thicker, and stronger. With that said, coconut oil is not for all hair types. It has damaging effects on dry, coarse, or thick hair. So if your hair is super thick or super dry and coarse, you don't want to use it. And the reason for this is because it can cause protein buildup, making your hair super dry, brittle, and stiff, which can cause your hair to start breaking off. Coconut oil is best for shiny, soft, fine hair or medium type hair. This is the type of hair that does not have enough protein. The lauric acid in the coconut oil helps reduce protein loss in hair. So the next part pertains to all hair types. Try not to apply coconut oil to your scalp. I have been guilty of doing that and I've never had any issues, but coconut oil has been known to cause irritation to the scalp, or it can clog the pores, causing your scalp to break out. So if you've never used coconut oil before, it's probably best not to apply it to your scalp, just because you just never know how it will react. All oils have a smoke point. A smoke point is the point where the oil starts to burn and disintegrate. When the oil gets to this point, it starts to release toxic chemicals and free radicals, which are damaging to your health. It can cause diseases like cancer. So you want to always keep your heating tool below the smoke point. Coconut oil smoke point is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I never go up to 300 degrees with mine. I have my hot iron set at 280 degrees, and that works well for me. If I really had to, I might go up to 300, but it works well at 280. The less heat that I can apply to my hair, the better. So I'm going to show you how I apply the coconut oil. So this is the coconut oil I use, and this isn't any specific brand that I recommend. This is just the oil that I have, so this is what I use. Now I normally scoop it out and put it into a little jar and keep it in my bathroom. It's just easier to store that way, and I keep the big one in my laundry room. So I start by just scooping just a little bit. You don't want to put too much coconut oil in your hair because then it gets that kind of greasy look. So you have to make sure that you don't put too much. I just put a little bit. Here's the amount that I'm going to put on. And I just rub it between my fingers to warm it up. And then I just apply it halfway, from the halfway point. And I just kind of run my fingers through my hair, making sure I get all the strands, because I don't want to damage any part of my hair. Now I never use the hot iron up on that top area because I don't want my hair to be really flat. I want that volume. Even though I have used coconut oil on my scalp before, I try not to put it on there, just in case I might eventually one day have a bad reaction. Alright, so I've got the coconut oil in my hair. And then I use this little comb just to kind of comb it through to make sure that I distribute the oil all over. Okay. And now I'm going to use my clip to clip the top half of my hair up. The bottom half is always the hardest part for me to straighten, so instead of doing it like in lengthwise sections, I like to do the bottom half first and then I do the top half. So I've got it all lathered up in a little bit of coconut oil, not too much. Now I normally don't use this too often. If I do use any heat on my hair, it might be once or twice a week. But lately it's been less than that, like almost never. If you are going to be using coconut as a heat protectant, I would recommend using it max twice a week. I need a mirror, so I'm gonna have to turn my head. And I just run the flat iron slowly down. And I don't want to hold the flat iron on my hair for too long. But I do want it to straighten out. So I'm going to keep doing this, and once I finish the entire bottom half, then I'll just start working on each section up on top. Now, I don't want to bore you with this whole process, so I'm going to keep doing it and then I'll just see you in just a bit. That is how I use coconut oil and the reasons why you shouldn't use it. Please be careful. If you have dry, coarse, thick hair, then definitely stay away from it. I hope that my video was helpful, and please let me know if you use coconut oil as a heat protectant. Share any tips that you have and any other oils that you use. I don't use anything else, so I did not want to talk about that because I don't have any experience with the other oils that can be used, but coconut oil works really well. The first photo was taken before I applied the coconut oil to my hair, and the second photo was taken after I applied the coconut oil and straightened my hair. The first photo shows what my hair looks like when I apply the right amount of coconut oil, and the second photo shows what it looks like when I apply too much. It looks really, really greasy. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!